Hello, everyone! I'm back and I've got some cool original painting techniques in store for you. So stay tuned if you want to try out something new for your next painting project. First, I'm going to make some fluffy paint. To do that, I'm going to need craft glue, shaving cream, flour, a Ziploc bag, and a paintbrush. First, I'm going to combine 1/4 cup of craft glue and 3/4 cup shaving cream in a bowl. Then, I'm going to mix in some blue food coloring. Next, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of flour and stir everything together. Just keep stirring until it becomes nice and fluffy. Next, I'm going to line a paper cup with the Ziploc bag and then fill it up with our mixture. Ooh, how fluffy! Next, remove the full Ziploc bag and cut off one of the bottom corners. Just make sure that you cut a relatively small hole so that we can paint thin lines later. Now, I'm going to paint a triangle on a piece of thick construction paper. Now, I'm going to add some fluffy paint to the construction paper. Do you know what it is yet? That's right! I'm using the fluffy paint to make a yummy scoop of ice cream. Add whatever finishing touches you want to your picture. I decided to add a cute little face to the ice cream cone. Once you've let the paint dry overnight, you can touch your artwork as much as you want. Woohoo! Next, I'm going to show you how to create amazing designs using paint bubbles. It's super fun and really easy to do. To make a very special pattern, I'm going to cover up the sections of paper that I don't want to be painted with tape. We have to mix some acrylic paint, dish soap, and water together in a cup. Please make sure both of your ingredients are non-toxic because you're going to put the mixture very close to your mouth. Next, use a straw to blow lots of bubbles in each mixture. Once you've blown enough bubbles, place your taped up piece of paper on top of the cups so that the color and pattern of the paint bubbles stick to the paper. Next, you can take off the tape. Wow! Doesn't that look cool? It's so pretty! Time for another project. This time with the help of craft glue, watercolors, and salt. Yeah, you heard that right, salt. I'm going to paint a cute little mermaid. First, I'm going to draw a mermaid, just like I normally would, on a sheet of paper. Now, all of the outlines have to be traced with craft glue. Then it's time to sprinkle sea salt on top of the glue. Use a lot of salt for this step to make sure that the glue is totally covered. You can save the extra salt for the next time you do this project, just like I'm going to. Now, trace the lines of salt with your watercolors and watch the magic happen. Wow, doesn't my picture look beautiful? All of the colors are really able to shine. And now for another cool, simple painting trick. This time, we're going to use bubble wrap. Do you like popping bubble wrap as much as I do? But this time, it's better if the bubble wrap stays unpopped. For my artwork, I'm going to cut a strawberry out of bubble wrap. The bottom section gets painted with red acrylic paint, and the stem gets painted green. Now, you can use the painted bubble wrap like a stamp on a piece of construction paper or on cardstock. What you end up with looks so cool! But what would a strawberry be without a face? Ta-da! I love it! I'm so happy with how all of my paintings turned out. And what about you? Which technique is your favorite? Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. It's free and it would make me so happy. See you soon!